friends, today I am guiding you how to do the vegetable block painting. First of all, we will take one potato and we can cut like this. So we get this shape. Now here we will draw any shape. Suppose I am drawing here the umbi shape. Very roughly it will draw, and here I am just taking this shape out. So I think little bit it will be visible to you. Now with the help of knife I cut this shape. So you can see I cut a umbi shape block. ठीक है? Now I take this. Here I am drawing something. Suppose this is my umbi shape. So here I draw this 3 leaves. Now I am cutting these 3 leaves. You have to see this. Now we are starting our practical. This is lady finger. I cut it like this. This is capsicum. I cut this capsicum like this. Okay, now I'm starting my practical. First of all, we will keep our plate. We put our sponge sheet here, and whatever color we want, we will spread here. Suppose I want here on this envelope little bit red and orange color. Now I am taking yellow color, red color here and spreading here with the help of brush. Now see, this is our umbi shape. I just press this here, it converts into a red color. Now you have to see, I keep my envelope here, and first of all we will put in a rough sheet. Just see the texture, it is coming. Now again I am taking and just applying here and pressing little bit. Like this. Clear? Wherever the color is required, little bit brush texture we can give and make it fine. as if you have seen, this is vegetable printing, so little bit inconveniences in color is always be there. Clear? Now we will use the orange color. So I choose now orange color. I take this color and put on the sponge. Little bit, this is thicker in consistency, so little bit more color I am applying here. And now we will take this part of leaves part, and now we will dip in this properly. The color is here. Now we put this into this direction. This way we can go for the any vegetable painting. Now see, our vegetable painting is okay. Now we will choose the 3D outliner and we can do the outlining or any way wherever we want to decorate it. Suppose I want to do the outlining, very roughly outlining I am doing here. This is golden 3D outliner. You have to see this. At present it is wet condition. When it get dry, it convert into a golden outlining. Now you can use the Fevicol if you are having red color stones. Paste the red color stones. Yes, with the help of glue you can paste the mirror also. Little bit red color shading I am occurring here with the help of brush. So this envelope is decorated envelope is ready. More decorate, you can do more decoration if you are having more outlinings, more materials of decoration. When it will get dry, it will complete. So later on I will show you. Now here I am taking one another envelope. Take one lace The lace edges are we are folding like this with the help of fabric glue. Now I am applying the straight line where I will paste that lace. And 5 to 10 minutes we pick it like this so it get dry. Now you have to see, I take one lady finger, I just print it and I just mark here one dot. Like this. At present it is wet, lace is not pasted properly, but no problem. Now you have to take any light shade of stones and paste center of this, so it convert into a flower like structure. Now with the help of 3D, this is fabric glue. Now with the help of 3D outliner, you can decorate it more. Little bit golden color you can add. Like this. If you want to make a more glittery effect, then you can paste the mirror also like this. And if you want a sober look, then without this you can do it. Now glue, with the help of fabric glue, I am pasting this. This way we can at present this golden color is bad. Now see, this is wooden block. इस तरह के different designs में wooden blocks are available. So first of all we will take this wooden block. Here I am applying on the sponge. Just see here, two colors. First is orange, second is brown. Now I dip my block in that and I press it. The color is here almost on the block. Now see the direction, and now here you keep it and just press it tightly. Now you have to see the result. The designing is occur. Once again, as if we have seen, the brown color is very lighter, so we just add more color. here, and again we will just dip our block in it and just apply, keep here and just press it lightly. Tightly I press it. Now see the designing, the design is occur. So this way we can make the designing with the help of block. Now we will take any lace shape and we can take gota, lace, anything, and we can decorate it. Now here further I am pressing this and I am going, this design is occurs. Now I am pasting stones with the help of fabric glue. Now we can choose the 3D outliner and decorate it more. This way we can decorate this envelope with the help of block painting. At the back side आप कोई डोरी वगैरह अप्लाई कर सकते हो, लेस वगैरह इस तरह की इसके अंदर किनारे पे एडजेस पे इस तरह से आप लगा सकते हैं लाइक दिस. तो एज इफ यू हैव सीन कि हम पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. वैसे इस तरह हम अपनी ब्लॉक पेंटिंग्स, वेजिटेबल ब्लॉक पेंटिंग्स एंड सिंपल वुडन ब्लॉक पेंटिंग से डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एनवलप्स बना सकते हैं. Envelope की shapes and sizes I have already discussed in the classroom. Here on this is a flap. तो different way हमने flaps को decorate करना है. इसे हम इस तरह के कर्व शेप में बड़ी भी ले जा सकते हैं यहाँ पे हम छोटी इस तरह से सेमी डी भी ले जा सकते हैं, डी शेप भी वी कैन टेक इट, और उस पर गोटे पत्ती खूब सारे गोटे चिपका सकते हैं ग्लूगन की हेल्प से, लाइक दिस. हियर यू हैव टू सी इन दिस फ्लैप I pasted this lace. So लेस आप एजेस पे लगा सकते हैं लाइक दिस, स्टोन्स वगैरह से डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू सी द गोल्डन 3D आउटलाइनर्स इज नाउ it is visible. So this way you can make your block painting envelopes and different shapes. I already guided ki punky shape we can take, or we can changes the flap shapes. These are the flaps we are calling this is flap. जैसे ओवल शेप, हार्ट शेप्स, डिफरेंट शेप्स में हम कट कर सकते हैं एंड वी कैन मेक अवर एनवलप्स. एंड इफ़ यू वांट, इस तरह के जो एनवलप्स आपके बने हैं इसके अंदर लाइक दिस यू हैव टू एडेड अ डोरी ऑल्सो. तो हैंगिंग पर्स की तरह आपका ये सरफेस हो जाएगा आपका, और इसे आप डोरी की तरह भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ भी डिफरेंट तरह की लटकनें लगाई जा सकती है, वूल बॉल लगाई जा सकती है. डेट आई शेयर्ड इन द क्लासरूम इन डिफरेंट वीडियो. So you can decorate your these envelopes in a different way also. Thank you.